You do what you're told, all right? You think it's okay just to roll up on traffic stops and not do what you're told? Now you go to jail.
Come on, guys, this is excessive. Come on, man. Wallet.
The incident began when Deputy Mikhail Knoll pulled over Nathan Espinoza, alleging he was following too closely to a patrol car on icy roads. Colorado Revised Statutes Section 42-4-1008 mandates drivers to maintain a safe following distance, but discretion is key in poor weather conditions. Nathan argued he was driving cautiously due to icy roads, challenging the necessity of the stop. Deputy Knoll's rigid stance ignored road conditions and escalated tensions unnecessarily. Meanwhile, Nathan's father, Kenneth, pulled over nearby, a move that would soon provoke an aggressive response from law enforcement. This seemingly routine stop spiraled into a chaotic display of power.
Windows frozen.
Okay, what's up? Deputy Noah with the sheriff's office. Let me get your driver's license ready. Hold that dog.
Allie, get back. Ask where you're a little snippy. What's the problem is?
What's the problem?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're following too closely. Can't you see the roads are icy? You see me slowing down and you're still coming up behind me. There's no reason for you to be doing that.
Brakes in the icy.
It's not good. Don't tell me how I should be driving. Okay, I'm in a marked. All right, well, that doesn't give you the right to follow a marked patrol car close like that. What if I had to stop? I know there is ice there. That's why I was cruising, so I don't slip. There's no reason for you to be that close behind a marked patrol car. Okay, when you find that, stay in the vehicle, your registration and insurance. I'll be back.
Lieutenant Henry Trujillo approached Kenneth Espinoza's vehicle, demanding he leave, claiming he had no right to be near the stop. Under Colorado law, individuals are allowed to record police actions and remain in public spaces unless they obstruct police duties. Kenneth, standing his ground, argued he was simply waiting for his son. The lieutenant's response escalated the situation into an unnecessary confrontation. Body camera footage shows Kenneth being threatened with arrest for non-compliance. Instead of de-escalating, Trujillo heightened tensions, setting the stage for violence.
Do you need to be behind this traffic stop?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
My son right there, he was following me.
Okay, he's on a traffic stop, so you don't need to be behind it.
You gotta be mean.
Oh, I'm not being mean. We just don't like when people pull in behind us.
I don't like them to kill my son.
That's what we get paid to do, to pull people over.
You don't get paid to be a
And you don't either, okay? I don't gotta put up with your okay? I asked you a simple question, okay?
Hold on, man.
In fact, you need to leave now or you're gonna get charged. So that I'm recording too. I asked you a simple question. If you have attitude, that's your problem, okay?
You on my door.
Yeah, you saw me and you rolled your window up when I came. Hold on a second, okay?
No.
You rolled your window up when I walked up, okay?
Care.
So I knocked on your window, okay? You are not a cop. You don't need to be behind me, okay? So you need to leave right now.
I don't need to do anything.
You got 5 seconds to leave, okay? There's no reason for you to be behind this traffic stop. No reason, okay? No reason, okay?
It's not a public
No
street.
reason.
Do I not pay
Okay,
taxes
do you always stop behind cops when they pull people over?
I ain't stopped right behind it.
Okay, you don't need to be here. You don't need to be here, okay? You need to go.
No, I don't. I'm waiting on my son.
All right,
He's
fine.
right back.
When Kenneth refused to leave, officers aggressively escalated by attempting to remove him from his vehicle. Under the Fourth Amendment, police force must be proportional to the situation, which was not the case here. Officers tased Kenneth multiple times, an act of questionable necessity, causing him visible injury. Body camera footage reveals Kenneth in shock as officers used unnecessary force coupled with threats, which exemplified abuse of authority.
Yeah, do you always stop behind cops when they pull people over?
I ain't stopped right behind it.
Okay, you don't need to be here.
You don't need to be
behind
here,
okay?
sir.
You need to go.
No, I don't. I'm waiting on my son.
Right,
He's my ride back to Wilson.
Leave. Leave. That's the part. Stay. Hey, stop. Stop the car. Get the car. Get out the car. Get out the car.
What are you gonna do? You gonna
SD4, give me the radio. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the fucking car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the fucking car!
Stop it now!
Get out the car!
Get out!
Get out the
Get
Get out the fucking car! Get out the car! Get out
Stop
the
now!
car!
Stop it now! Now!
Car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the fucking car!
Stop it now!
Get out!
Now! Get out! Get out of the car! Now! Get out of the car!
Hey, Nate, do you see this?
Car!
Do you see this?
Get out of the car!
Do you see this? Are you recording?
Yeah, we're recording it. What the hell do you think you're doing?
I ain't doing anything.
Okay. Now you're on a traffic stop and you're trying to drive away?
Get out the car!
Call state patrol.
Patrol has nothing to do with anything. Okay, they don't have jurisdiction over us.
I don't know what to
Get out of the
Send me
car
hold your
now.
horses.
No.
I got my truck.
I don't give a put it in park.
I just did, pal.
Don't pull away from me.
I'm not.
You're gonna get lit up.
I'm not.
Okay, you're gonna get
You're
lit up.
breaking my arm, man. Hold on, I'm gonna get out.
Get out the fucking car!
I'm complying with you. Can you hold on? I'm not.
Get out the car, man!
Get back over there now.
I'm trying. You just stay there and record. Can you guys
Get out
hold on?
now.
I'm getting out. I'm not.
You're under arrest.
I'm not
Get out.
going
Turn around and face the truck. You're under arrest.
Okay, guys.
Put your hands behind your
Settle
back.
down.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get out of the car!
Now. Get out of
Get out the car!
Hey, Nate, do you see this?
The fucking car!
Do you see this?
Out of the car.
Do you see this? Are you recording?
Yeah, we're recording it. What the hell do you think you're doing?
I ain't doing anything.
Okay. Now you're on a traffic stop and you're trying to drive away?
Get out the car! Call state patrol! Get out the
Car has nothing to do with anything. They don't have jurisdiction over us. Get out of the car. Put it in park.
I just did, pal.
Seatbelt is off.
Don't pull away from me.
I'm not.
You're gonna get lit up.
I'm not.
Okay, you're gonna get
You're
lit up.
breaking my arm, man. Hold on, I'm gonna get out.
Get out the car!
I'm complying.
Get out the car!
Can you hold on? I'm not.
Get out the car, man!
I'm
Get
trying.
back over there now.
I'm trying. You just stay there and record. Can you guys
Get out.
hold on?
Now.
I'm getting out. I'm not.
You're under arrest.
I'm not.
Get out. Turn around and face the truck. You're under arrest.
Okay, guys.
Put your hands behind your
Settle
back.
down.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm going.
Put your hands.
I'm going peacefully, son. Settle down. What's going on here? I just
Back! Get back!
hey, he's recording this case.
That's fine. He can record all he wants.
This is case, guys. You guys.
You do what you're told, all right? You think it's okay just to roll up a traffic stop
no,
and
I'm
not do what
a
you're
herd.
told? Now you go to jail.
That's all right. I'm a
Turn around and face the truck.
I'm already cuffed, man. You guys are listening. If you listen, you want to get their handle.
Now let's
Don't
go.
move.
Let's go.
That's great. You know what's going on. You need to settle down.
Get in the car! Get in the car!
Get in when you.
I'm gonna tase you! Get in the car! Get in
Damn. Now. Turn around and face the truck.
I'm already cuffed.
Now let's go. Let's go. In there.
You need to settle down.
Get in the car!
Get in the car.
Get in when you
Do the
Get in
now.
Damn!
Now.
After ordering him to sit in the back seat of the police car, they pulled him out again without clear justification, demonstrating an abuse of authority. Such actions contradict the principles of reasonable conduct outlined in the Fourth Amendment.
You have your wallet on you?
Don't do that, man.
I'm gonna get you out. I'm gonna pat search you. Now get out.
I got my wallet.
Get out now. Get out now.
Get out the car!
Okay. This is how it's gonna work. Okay? You're gonna do what you're told to do, and that's it.
Stand up!
Up against the car. Spread your feet.
Come on, man.
Might as well.
This is ridiculous. Well, quit acting like an idiot.
I mean, that's how I feel. I got a piece of my shot me right in the goddamn face.
That's fine. Go ahead and roll meds all like this.
Quit grabbing my arm.
I'm not doing
Knock
anything
it off.
on good, guys.
Lean up against the car.
Jesus Christ.
Spread your feet apart.
I can't.
Spread them.
241 and standing nice, son. I'm not doing this fucking shit. Jesus, I thought you guys were good, man. I stopped behind my arm. He was following me forward, man.
Just calm down for us.
Come on, guys, this is excessive. Come on, man. This is ridiculous.
Well, quit acting like an idiot.
I ain't acting like nothing.
I got a taser piece in my lip. You guys shot me right in the damn face.
Officers then claimed Kenneth tried to run them over, contradicting the footage. Deputy Knoll later accused Kenneth of attempting to run him over, stating he had to draw his weapon to stop him. False accusations violate the due process protections under the 14th Amendment, undermining justice. These claims appear fabricated, as Kenneth was subdued when they were made. Espinoza was charged with resisting arrest and assaulting an officer, but the charges were later dropped due to insufficient evidence. Kenneth's attorney later filed a civil lawsuit seeking accountability for the officer's misconduct. This case highlights the dangers of unchecked police power when authority is weaponized against civilians.
Go to the car, trying to open the door. I was like, get out the car, stop the car, stop the car. He runs it while I'm holding on to the car. So I had him at gunpoint. Then he puts the car in reverse, backs up almost hits Henry's car while I'm still holding on to the car. And we tried getting him out of the car, and he had the car in drive, and he accelerated, but it didn't go nowhere.
We tried to get him out. He was refusing, and then when we tried to put him in, he was refusing. So I tased him, but he fell back. So one hit him here, one hit him in the chin or something. So we'll have Matt come and take a look at him. And then I tried to get him out to pat search him and get his wallet because he wouldn't tell me anything. And then that's when you rolled up.
Okay.
I'm gonna get him over to the jail.
After being criminally charged, deputies Henry Trujillo and Mikhail Knoll were fired from the Los Animas County Sheriff's Office. Colorado Revised Statutes Section 188702 requires officers to report and intervene in excessive force, which they failed to do. Both face charges, including third-degree assault, official misconduct, official oppression, failure to intervene, and menacing. If convicted of the assault or misconduct charges, they would be permanently disqualified from serving as officers in Colorado. Kenneth Espinoza, the victim of their excessive force, received a whopping $1.5 million settlement in a civil lawsuit against the sheriff's office. Despite this, his attorney criticized the absence of felony charges, arguing the misconduct warranted more severe accountability. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.